Hi, I'm Blubber Nuggets, and this is
Fuzz Muffin. And today on Handlebar Mustache 9 News, we will have special features and facts from around the world.
We will start with the effects of people building dams.
Dams prevent flooding, but also alter the natural landscape.
Like in Egypt, the Nile flooded a lot, causing many deaths, but it fertilized the soil for farmers.
That's right. So once they built the dam, the Nile no longer flooded, but the soil wasn't as fertile.
What a predicament.
Next up, we will have a speech from Daniel Schweitzer about how we impact the environment via carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere have increased exponentially since the Industrial Revolution. And we can go back over 500,000 years looking at ice cores and still see that the rise of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is near vertical. In fact, today we are at 400 parts per million. And the recent climate summit, the world leaders agreed that we need to get the levels of carbon dioxide down to 350 parts per million as soon as possible. If we let the natural processes do that, it will take at least 1,000 years. So therefore, we need to start extracting carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to prevent runaway global warming and greenhouse effects.
Thanks, Daniel. We were intrigued by your facts and presentation.
Breaking news! Sacred River in India is contaminated?
No way!
Hey, aren't Rob and Ari in India for the week?
Yeah, let's go to the Ganges River.
Thank you, Blubber Nuggets. Hello, I am Aaron McCherry, and this
Bob Robertson's!
Yes, thank you, Blub. Anyways, we are here in the Ganges River as we speak.
A sacred river that happens to be the most polluted in the world, and we're in it for some reason.
People bathe and even drink this water.
And get sick. Really sick.
Is that oil?
And is that sewage?
Ew.
How do people even drink this? Well, there goes nothing.
Ew! Wow, what are you doing? I think it's time to get back to the studio.
Well, I hope Blob feels better, and thanks Ari for the wonderful info.
I think it's time to move on to energy production, like coal and oil.
Yes, aren't fossil fuels that provide energy for modern day life?
Yes, Blubber Nuggets. They also pollute and use up non-renewable resources.
Let's call in Coal Miner. He lives in a fossil fuel deposit, doesn't he?
I thought we fired him.
We did? Well, welcome back, Cole. We need you.
Thank you so much, Blubber Nuggets. I will try not to blow the studio up ever again. Coal and oil are both marginal and modern day life energy and non-renewable resources, which means they cannot be renewed or reproduced. Oil and coal are also both fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels, you may ask? Well, fossil fuels are geologic dissolving of an organic materials formed in decade living organisms that have been conserved. Crude oil, coal, nature gases, heavy oils by exposure to heat and pressure in Earth's crust over hundreds of millions of years. Back to you, Blubber Nuggets.
Thanks, Cole. Happy to have you back.
Now we can have more info on fossil fuels and get free electricity again.
I'm looking forward to that.
Next up, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and herbicides pollute the air, soil, and water with toxic chemicals. Time for Grandma's homemade stuff.
You said it, Blubber Nuggets.
That's just in. Removing trees and other plants to build up area cultivation. We can call it habitat destruction.
Oh no!
Still have that electric / fireplace heater, Fuzz Muffin?
I wish.
To continue our discussion, we turn to forests and grasslands into productive farmland. We destroy even more habitat.
We humans cause so much destruction.
Yes, we do. Hey, Fuzz Muffin.
Yeah?
Remember that urban growth pamphlet that you lost?
Yes. What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I found it.
Perfect timing. Now we can talk about urban growth.
Wow! Urban growth provides economic opportunities to more people since schools, jobs, and sanitation are more centrally located.
It leads to congested conditions, which creates pollution, crime, water, waste, and unemployment.
So that's why there have been crime reports in Sydney, Australia.
I think you're onto something, Blubber Nuggets.
Me too.
Well, Blubber Nuggets, I think that's a wrap. This is Fuzz Muffin
And Blubber Nuggets.
on Handlebar Mustache 9 News.
Tune
Next time, so stay fresh.